Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 012.
Why is it every time I call a business, no one answers? I just need a simple code for my bathroom. That's it. I guess I'll go ahead and call someone else. Oh wait, I just got a text message. Oh, sorry, we missed your call. How can we help you? Now that's how you do it. That's automation number one, the missed call text back. Most small business owners waste time doing things that AI could do for you automatically in the background. Today, I'll show you 5 GoHighLevel automations that literally run your business for you. Now, first step to set up a missed call text back is to sign up for GoHighLevel if you haven't already. And once you do, you're gonna go ahead and go to a sub account that you've already made. So let me just show you an example. Let me go into my own account, right? I'm going to go ahead and go to settings on the bottom left-hand corner of your own sub account. So if this is your client's account, you're going to go to settings on the bottom left-hand corner right here. You're going to go ahead, go to phone numbers, all right, and then you're going to go and look at Trust Center, additional settings right here, and then voicemail and missed call text back. So this is the easiest way to set up missed call text back right here. Is off of the sub account's name, so whatever name is your sub account in. Hey, this is whatever your business name is. I saw we just missed your call. How can I help? You can also customize this message, put whatever phone number right here as a test. And you can also set it up on the workflows if you want to test it out differently. That's just really quick how to set up missed call text back. Super simple, super fast. I just submitted this ad for a bathroom remodel request, and I still have not received any information. All right, so let's go ahead and set up an AI instant reply. Okay, so right here, you're going to go to automations on the left-hand side. Automate, all right, and then on the right-hand side, you're going to go ahead and click Create Workflow. Let's just start it from scratch. Simple. You can also choose from proven recipes of proven workflows that's already been made. So let's just say this is a workflow for like a lead coming in. Maybe it's a Facebook lead, right? So let's just say Facebook, lead form opt-in. Okay, all right, and then you're gonna add the trigger Facebook lead form. Okay, and then after you set this up, you save it, and so depending what the trigger is, maybe it's a website, maybe it's a Facebook lead form, maybe it's a call, whatever it is, you're gonna want to have a sequence where it's texting them as soon as possible. Okay, it's gonna follow up with them. So like, hey, just showing you how to do it real quick. Hey, I just received your request on a bathroom remodel. You, the homeowner. All right, this is just an example. Depending what kind of business you run, you could really just set this up really easy for them. And you can also make a name for that person, like Emily Bathroom Experts, right? Save. And so literally as soon as a lead comes in, it's going to get a text message. You can even set up, notifications, say notifications right here. There's so much things you could do with this platform, GoHighLevel. But that's how you do it. You just easily send a text message by making a workflow. You can also go to right here. You can also go and create a workflow that they might already have. So you create from template maybe. So they already have proven templates, right? List reactivation, send replies, lead nurture is a good one. So let's go ahead and check that out. Right. So birthday reminder. As soon as it's someone's birthday, it's going to send them a text message. Right, so there's beautiful things, beautiful workflows you can make from this. I don't think they're going to show up on my Zoom call. They're not coming, are they? Oh man, another no-show. Check this out. Hey Austin, looks like we missed you. Do you want to reschedule? My system did that for them on their behalf, completely on autopilot. And that's just one text message. You can have a sequence of different text messages, emails, and voice AI phone calls, or even from a human appointment setter that follows up with your no-shows and gets them back on the calendar or walking inside the door. All right, next thing we're going to go ahead and do is automations. Again, if you want to go ahead and set up a no-show sequence, automations, I'm going to go ahead and click Create Workflow. I'm pretty sure they already have a template for this, but let's just go ahead and create one from scratch. All right, so add a trigger. All right, so let's just say appointments. All right, appointment status. Appointment status, let's just say normal, add a filter. Appointment status is no-show, no-show. Okay, so basically what this means is, what is it called? If the appointment is a no-show, it's going to go into this workflow. All right, so it's going to go to this workflow. So let's just save the trigger. All right, so we could also add like an opportunity You can put them in the no-show sequence. Send SMS. All right, so that could just be a really simple text message to send someone. Let's just say someone missed their dentist appointment. All right, save it. All right, what I would also do is I would also put a wait time right here. So wait time for like maybe 2 hours, just so after someone has done no-show, like it waits 2 hours before it sends the next one. And you can also put, during the time, during business hours as well, whatever time you want to make sense. So let's just put like 9 a.m. to like 6 p.m. to save action. So in like 2 hours, within 2 hours of that business owner marking that person as a no-show, it's going to go ahead and send them this text message, right? And you can even make it more extravagant, right? So if you want to wait another wait time, maybe wait 1 day, send another one, SMS, get the first name right here. We missed you yesterday for your free teeth cleaning. All right, that's just an example, and you could go on and make a whole no-show sequence, right? It's no-show sequence. All right, so that's just an example of how easy it is to create a no-show sequence. And you can also tag them, organize them however you think you want to with your leads. Okay, this isn't a full-on video on how to set up reviews, but again, this same exact platform allows you to set reviews up on behalf of your client. Reputation. First thing first is you got to set up your client with a Google My Business. Right, so that's where you integrate your Google My Business Manager right here, and then you can start sending up reviews right here. You can start sending review requests. Super easy, super simple. In future videos, I'll go a little bit more in depth on how to actually implement each of these steps. But I just want to show you like what's the power of this software and what it could do for you. These leads are from months ago. No way that they will still respond to me. They've been in my phone for forever. All right, you might have guessed, same exact process if you want to create a reactivation sequence. Automation. Okay, automation, create workflow. So let's just actually choose one from a template. Maybe choose a reactivation sequence. I think they might have a reactivation sequence here. So let's go look up reactivation. So list reactivation, long-term reactivation. So we could check this out and see what it has. So it's a pretty good reactivation. You can check it out. Add the template, and you can just customize it, right? So let's just say this is an email reactivation. So like a month later, another month later, right? And then you can also add SMS as well. So just really simple. Replace it, and then you got to replace it with your actual copy. If you guys want proven reactivation sequences for pretty much so many different niches and local business industries out there, from dentists, chiropractors, gyms, financial advisors, insurance agents, anything out there in terms of local businesses, I have proven reactivation sequences inside of the 9 to SaaS free community. Make sure you sign up down below, and we'll see you on the inside. Quick recap. Here's what's running while you sleep. Missed call text back. New lead AI reply. No-show and getting them back to reschedule. Reviews and asking for another referral. Get 2 for 1. And lastly, reactivation of old leads and getting more business from your current pipeline. These 5 AI automation workflows replaces an entire full-time assistant, and they never get tired. It's a system that works for you. So if you're a small business or you're helping other small businesses grow their local business, then this is for you. I've actually linked 5 of these workflow templates inside of the community, the 9 SaaS free community. Make sure you click down below, get the free course, go inside the community, get all the free goodies, and level up your local business marketing. You can literally copy and paste these into GoHighLevel right now and start offering it to other local businesses. Or if you just want the entire thing all done for you, an entire business in a box, make sure you sign up under 9tosas.com. Or if you want the entire business in the box, make sure you sign up under 9tosas. It includes everything from AI voice, SMS follow-up, entire niche snapshots for every type of niche out there that you could offer these different automations to and get paid on a monthly service. Anywhere from $300 to $2,000 plus per month. Get paid monthly like digital rent. Thanks for watching. I'm Austin Chua. Go ahead and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe down below and get access to the free 9 to SaaS course. If you want more AI automation breakdowns just like this, watch out for the future videos. I'll see you there.